Here is where you should be on the 6th of September 2025
at the God's Kingdom Society GKS Service Hall, Salem City, Warri, Delta State.
As the headquarters choir Warri hosts its musical concert.
Themed Sounds of Praise, showcasing the musical and cultural diversity in the GKS,
featuring melodious voices and other talented artists that the church is blessed with,
accompanying with the best of instrumental music. The GKS Warri Praise experience will be unforgettable.
You can join us online on our Zoom platform.
Better still, join us in person.
Do not miss out on this wonderful opportunity. Come together in an atmosphere of praise to Jehovah our Maker.
Looking forward to seeing you there.